Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Modern home interior focus on sleek lines, sustainable materials, and a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor space. Key ideas include the use of large floor-to-ceiling windows that allow natural light to flood the interiors while providing uninterrupted views of the outdoor landscape. Neutral color palettes, often featuring shades of gray, white, and black, create a clean, sophisticated look. Incorporating natural materials such as stone, wood, and metal adds texture and warmth to the exterior. Minimalist landscaping with native plants and geometric patterns enhances the home's contemporary appeal while being eco-friendly. Outdoor living spaces like patios or decks are designed as extensions of the indoor area, often equipped with modern furniture and amenities like fire pits or outdoor kitchen. Small lighting solutions, including LED and solar powered fixtures, not only highlighted architectural features but also improve energy efficiency. Water features such as sleek foundations or reflecting pools introduce tranquility and elegance. The use of mixed materials such as combining glass with steel or wood creates visual interest and modern flair. Finally, a well-designed driveway and pathway using materials like pavers or concrete provide a polished and inviting entrance to the home. Thanks for watching. Must subscribe and like Interior Design channel.